What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to go over 18 mods and accessories that you can do to your Dodge Charger under 350 bucks. Now, I'm not going to go in any particular order, but we're going to start from the outside of the car and work our way to the inside. But before we get started, make sure you guys hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Alright guys, so starting off with number one, carbon 5-inch tips. Definitely a must-have. They transform the back a ton, which leads me into the next thing is this rear diffuser that is from American Muscle. Again, between the 5-inch tips and that rear diffuser, it really transforms the back of these things. And while we're still on the back, we're gonna go with the Lux Taillight tint. So I just have the outer here and then the inner here, left everything else the same and stripped the Dodge. So again, with these three additions to the rear, it just looks killer. All right guys, moving on, a total necessity on these cars, the ZL1 add-ons rock guards. They do a fantastic job protecting the side. I don't have a single rock chip down the side of this car. Really cheap, and they look really good too with the 20x11s and 305s. Just protects really well. So definitely a must-have if you want to protect your paint. Which leads me into something else, which isn't really a modification, but a must-have in my opinion. The ZL1 add-ons lift blocks. I have these on all of my Chargers. Again, must-have. Gives you a really nice place to jack up on so you're not ruining your rocker or the pinch weld. And of course in the back there's already a factory lift point right here. So those lift blocks, definitely a must-have. Next up, the Dow Dynamics LED side markers. These are the smoked version. They also have a stock configuration. They've got the red in the back and the amber in the front, and they also have clear. So of course I opt for the smoked version. These are really awesome. 3-year warranty, best in the industry. I've had these for going on 3 years now, and I have not had a single issue with them. So my warranty is just about up, but like I said, they hold up great, and in that 3 years, if you have any sorts of issues, they replace them free of charge. Definitely a must-have. Of course, they just look really good. They're nice and bright, but being smoked, they aren't as bright as if you went with a clear one, but they still look really good. And by the way, if you use code GOMANGO392 on the website, it saves you on the shipping, which is going to be about 20 bucks. So make sure you use that code, and of course, like everything else, the link will be down below. So moving around to the front, I've got the Easy Lip. Now, I'm not a huge fan of like full-on splitters. I think they look kind of ricey. Just a subtle lip really makes the front end, in my opinion. It looks really, really good, nice and low profile. It actually does a great job at protecting the front bumper. I pulled up a little bit too close to the curb and I ripped this, but it saved the bumper. So not only does it look really good in the front, it also adds a little bit of protection if you get a little bit too close to a curb. So Easy Lip, definitely a really nice addition. And while we're on the front, we're gonna go with the Merrick Motorsports grill bezels. So these come paint to match to your color code. Of course, I've got Go Mango. So they also make a grill transformation kit. So if you have the older style grill, you can buy the newer style grill, this one, and have these already painted. So link for the intake bezels will be down below. So next thing we're going to go with is the burn box. So if you have a car that already has SRT pages, there's really no reason to spend all the money on the taser. So the burn box virtually just gives you a light show option. It's much cheaper than the taser, and like I said, if you already have all the options, you don't need the taser to activate anything. Buy the burn box. You get the light show. It looks really cool. So there are a few of my custom ones there. Definitely a nice feature to have. Relatively inexpensive, 200 bucks. Although if you have an 18 plus, you are going to need the bypass cable, so it brings it up about 50 bucks on top of the burn box. But if you have a 2015 to 2017, you don't need the bypass cable. All right guys, so moving on to under the hood, pretty much sums up everything on the exterior, but there is a lot of things that you can do under the hood. There's tons of companies that make tons of different things for under the hood. Now, some of this stuff I painted myself, some of it I did buy. So for the things I bought, we're gonna move on to the American Brothers Designs under the hood dress up kit. So this is from them. Between this guy right here, throttle body cover, the coolant cap, the windshield reservoir cap, and the hood strut covers, all four of those pieces, $305. And again, they come paint mesh to your paint code, and you can also have different graphics on there as well with different colors. So tons of options. American Brothers Designs, they make some really nice stuff. So moving on to the next thing, the American Cardcraft plenum cover. So a nice stainless cover, and when you buy this kit, it also comes with these two pieces and these two pieces as well. They all come stainless just like this. I painted these, but it looks really nice. It covers up the plastic intake manifold and just gives a really nice look under there. It really just makes under the hood pop. So next thing, I painted these rocker covers, but the overlays are from Reflective Concepts. So I painted them and then added the blue overlays. Again, they have tons of different colors. And next up, Petty's Garage strut brace. Again, these come color matched to your paint code. So of course, I've got Go Mango under here. As far as, you know, performance and if I feel any difference with that thing installed, no. I just did it because it looks good and just for more under the hood dress up. More than anything, I wasn't really expecting any difference in handling. But moving on to the next thing, these are Amazon specials right here. So they are probably hydro dipped, but they're just carbon fiber looking strut covers. Really cheap to do, looks pretty cool under the hood. And the next Amazon special, the coolant tank cover as well, which I think is made by the same company. Just nice carbon fiber look. Just covers up that clear plastic pretty nicely. Next, we've got the JLT intake, of course. Love this thing paired with the OEM, which you probably can't see it, but I've got the intake tube going from the grill right into the JLT. Fantastic intake, dyno proven results. Looks really nice under the hood. Next up, we've got the catch can. Now, this catch can can be bought from American Brothers Designs. You can option this thing a bunch of different ways. You can get different graphics on it. You can get different colors. Again, it'll come paint matched to your paint code as long as you select it. Just a basic catch can. It works like everything else, but it looks really good under the hood. So guys, that is going to do it for things under the hood. Now there are more expensive things I've got going on under here, but I wanted to keep this under 350 bucks. Of course, we got the Family Customs carbon fiber kit and a few other odds and ends like the Billet Technologies coil pack covers, stuff like that, which add up to a lot more than 350. But like I said, I want to keep this under 350. All right guys, moving on to the inside of the car. Of course, one of my favorite additions to the inside, the US Speedo gauge faces. Again, you can get these in a lot of different colors. One of my biggest gripes about this car is the lack of color on the inside. It's really pretty basic. I really wish they matched the stitching to the exterior color of the car. I think that would be a really nice touch, but they don't do that. So with the addition of these gauge faces, it just gives it a really nice contrast in here. Much needed color. Another simple, subtle accessory to add a little bit more color to the car. These are just dial covers from Amazon. Really cheap. You get them in a bunch of different colors. So between the dial covers and the gauge faces, and forgot about the pedal shifter extenders, just gives it much needed color in here. All right guys, that is going to do it for this video. Again, I just wanted to share a bunch of different things that you can do to these cars to spice it up a little bit, and of course, like I said, a few things that I recommend you do to protect the car as well. So stay tuned. I might do another series on things above 350 bucks. That could get a little pricey, but if you've got money burning a hole in your wallet, maybe I'll make that video and show you guys some more expensive, even more awesome things that you can do to these cars. But with that said, guys, we will catch you on the next one.